Hello. Now we are going to see the question from GATE 2014 ECE paper fr- from the signals and system subject. So here the unforced linear time invariant system is represented by the matrix x1 dot x2 equals to minus 1 0 0 minus 2 multiplied with x1 x2 column matrix. If the initial conditions are x1 of 0 equals to 1 and x2 of 0 equals to minus 1, the solution of this state equation is, so here given that the state equation is given in the form of a matrix. Now we need to find the solution for this. So coming to the solution, out of the given options here, so option C is the correct answer. Now we will see the solution for this. So given that from the given state equation in the matrix form, I am writing the algebraic equations here. So we will get it as x1 dot equals to minus x1 x1 dot equals to minus x1 plus 0, and x2 dot equals to 0 minus 2 x2 will get. Taking the first equation x1 dot equals to minus x1 first, so we'll get it as apply the Laplace transform. In order to find the solution, I am applying the Laplace transform here. So we know that x1 dot is nothing but that is d by dt of x1. So the Laplace transform of d by dt of x1, here given the initial conditions also, so I will apply the unilateral Laplace transform here. So we will get this as s into x1 of s minus x1 of, this is small x1 of 0 equals to minus x1 of s we will get. It is given that x1 of 0 equals to 1. So we will get this as s into x1 of s minus 1 equals to minus x1 of s. So we will get x1 of s equals to 1 by s plus 1 now. So applying the inverse Laplace transform, we will get this as x1 of t equals to e power minus t will get, e power minus t u of t will get. So x1 of t equals to e power minus t u of t. Taking the second algebraic equation, that is x2 dot equals to minus x2, that is x2 dot equals to minus 2 x2 here, minus 2 x2. Apply the Laplace transform on both the sides, unilateral Laplace transform. So we will get s into x2 of s minus x2 of 0 equals to minus 2 x2 of s. So here given the initial condition x2 of 0 equals to minus 1. So by substituting that value here, we will get s into x2 of s plus 1 equals to minus 2 x2 of s. So we will get that x2 of s equals to minus 1 by s plus 2. So apply the inverse Laplace transform. So apply inverse Laplace transform here, then we will get x2 of t equals to, this is a 1 by a plus s plus a form, so e power minus a t u of t. So we will get it as minus e power minus 2t u of t. So finally x2 of t equals to minus e power minus 2t u of t. So we got x1 of t equals to e power minus t u of t and x2 of t equals to e power minus 2t u of t. So the option C is the correct answer. Option that is option C is the correct answer.